Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. I definitely do. So, I've got another Ipsy spoiler video. I know. I'm getting these all done back to back and going to try to get the information out to you guys as soon as possible. Now, Ipsy has released a bunch of spoilers for May 2021. I've already posted my Ipsy Glam Bag X, the latest spoiler, and all of the choices that you're gonna get in Ipsy X coming in May. That video I will link right here. In addition to that, I also just released the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus spoilers for May 2021. And those are some really good products. I will link that video up here also. Now, I've got the regular $12 glam bag, a list of spoilers that were just released of things that you could potentially get in your glam bag. Now, we are able to choose one product each month for our glam bag. And I've got to double check the date on that. I'm not sure in April when that choice is going to be. But either way, for $12, we get a mix of full size and deluxe sample size items. So all we know right now are some basic products that you could potentially get in your May $12 glam bag. We don't know which items are going to be offered in choice, and I don't know which items, there's nothing listed that everyone's going to get or anything like that. These are just very generalized that based on your profile, you could potentially get. Here they are. We've got an ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills, mini dip brow gel in the color medium brown. You could also potentially get in your $12 glam bag in May the Bliss Makeup Melt Gentle Jelly Cleanser. We've got Complex Culture, which I've actually really been enjoying that brand. So I'm fine getting another product from them. It's a Let Up Concealer Mini. And I didn't see, I'm assuming that it's going to be offered in a couple of different colors, so based on your profile. In addition to that, we've got something from Gold Madden MD, their Pure Start Detoxifying Cleanser. And that I'm definitely excited. I hope I get my hands on that baby. We've also got something from Tula Skincare being featured in May's glam bag. And that is the Instant Facial Dual Phase Skin Reviving Treatment Pads. That's a mouthful, but I love Tula Skincare. Next, we've got by Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask, and it clears pores. So a pore clearing charcoal mask, which might be nice to try. We've also got something from Kinship, and it is the Self Reflect Probiotic Moisturizing Sunscreen Zinc Oxide with an SPF of 32. So sunscreens, we will take them all day long. Make sure spring, summer, fall, winter, you wear your sunscreen. And we've got the last couple of things that you could potentially get. We've got something from Hip Dot, a single blush in the color Red Moon. Or you could get a Complex Culture Easy Crease Definer brush. So, good list of products, nice variety of different things. Again, your profile is going to pretty much mandate what you get in your bag. A lot of people say, do they really follow profiles? Honestly, we don't know. But I will say, I do get 2 of the regular Ipsy Glam Bag and 2 of the regular Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So the regular Glam Bag and 2 Glam Bag Plus. And I have 2 totally different profiles. And I do normally get not only different items. Okay, yeah, sometimes there's repeats, but I've never gotten a completely similar or identical bag between the 2 profiles. So, in addition to that, with my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, my choices every month are different. So, I'm kind of thinking they follow the profile. At least a little bit, right? So, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. Put it down in the comments. So, quick, short, sweet little spoiler video for you. If I could have gotten it down to under a minute and posted it on shorts, I would have. That is it, you guys. Love you bunches. I do. And I would really appreciate it if you would smash that subscribe button if you have not done so already. It does really help my channel out. So, love you. I will talk to y'all soon and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.